and love. So good to know you're standing right here next to me. Seeds of Aloha, I see you. It's in everything you do. It's growing stronger. This is the moment to believe. There's a spirit can't deny, an open-hearted kindness we all have inside, a simple smile, a healing hand, a common language everybody understands. Seeds of Aloha lift us up, so encourage faith and love. So good to know you're standing right here next to me. Seeds of Aloha, I see you. It's in everything you do. It's growing stronger. This is the moment to believe. Let there be peace on this earth. We are children's children, have a chance that they deserve. We are Ohana, everyone. All of us together, living underneath the sun. Seeds of Aloha lift us up, so encourage faith and love. So good to know you're standing right here next to me. Seeds of Aloha, I see you. It's in everything you do. It's growing stronger. This is the moment to believe. Seeds of Aloha. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Alex for doing all the photography.